Hey, Millionaire Mindset family, what's good? Today, we're diving into one of the biggest things holding you back from getting rich: the way you spend your money. A lot of people confuse what's good for their wallet with what's bad. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most important concepts in personal finance: the difference between assets and liabilities. Understanding this is the first step to building your wealth. Stick with us until the end, because we'll show you what's actually worth buying to watch your wealth grow. Let's start with assets. Think of it this way: an asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. Concrete examples: rental properties, a house or apartment you rent out, where the rent becomes income for you. Stocks and investment funds, investments that pay dividends or grow in value over time. Your own business, a company that generates profit. Intellectual property, a book you wrote or a song you composed that earns you royalties. Picture your money as a gardener. An asset is a seed that, over time, grows into a tree that bears fruit regularly. Assets work for you, even while you sleep. Now, liabilities. If an asset puts money in your pocket, a liability does the opposite. It takes money out of your pocket. Concrete examples: luxury car. Unless you're using it for work to generate income, a car is a liability. It comes with expenses like insurance, fuel, maintenance, and financing. Your own home with financing and costs. While it's an asset in some ways, if your home generates high expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, condo fees, or maintenance, it's acting more like a liability. It's not generating income, it's consuming yours. Note: a home can become an asset if it appreciates for future sale, but we're focusing on day-to-day cash flow here. Loans and financing. Debt. Any debt where you're paying interest is a liability. Consumer goods that depreciate quickly. Expensive clothes or electronics that lose value fast. If an asset is a tree that bears fruit, a liability is a bottomless pit that drains your water. Liabilities demand your money, time, and energy. The big difference: wealthy people have more assets than liabilities. They accumulate things that generate income and value. People struggling financially have more liabilities than assets. Their expenses outpace their passive income sources. Here's the key takeaway: the difference between a millionaire and someone in debt isn't how much money they earn. It's how they use that money. The wealthy buy assets. Others buy liabilities. Result is simple: buying assets builds wealth that works for you. Buying liabilities leads to debt, where you're working to pay your bills. What should you buy to get richer? The key to wealth is straightforward: invest in assets. Practical and accessible suggestions: investments, fixed income, treasury bonds, CDs, or other low-risk options with solid returns to get started. Investment funds. Diversify your money across assets with professional management. Stocks. For those seeking higher returns and willing to understand the risks, buying shares in strong companies is like owning a piece of a profitable business. Education and skills. Invest in knowledge courses, books that make you more valuable in the job market or help you start your own business. Your own business. Even small ventures like an e-commerce store, consulting service, or a YouTube channel that can generate ad revenue. Real estate for income. Buy property to rent out or to renovate and sell for a profit. Adopt a builder's mindset. Think like an empire builder. Every dollar you spend should be a seed planted for future. Rewards. Start changing your financial mindset today. Analyze your spending. What are you buying? Is it an asset or a liability? Prioritize buying assets and watch your financial life take off. Wealth isn't a destination. It's a journey. And it starts with the choices you make every day. Start planting your asset seeds now and reap financial freedom in the future. Did you like the video? Drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building content, and share it with a friend who needs to understand this difference. What assets are you planning to buy this year? Let us know in the comments.